Hello my dear QA family. In previous videos we have already set up Vibium with JavaScript. In this particular video we will learn how to set up Vibium with Python, and we will do a mock scripting as well with a real-time scenario on a dummy website. So we will install the Vibium first, and we will use this particular website which is Test Track, and it's a very good website for automation practices. Here what we will do, using our Vibium and Python, we will click on primary button and we will make sure total activation count increased. So I have already clicked, hence it was 2. So we will do like this, clicking on primary button, total activation count, we will assert that it changed to 1. So for that we need two things. We need a Vibium documentation and we need our PyCharm to create a project. Both are ready. So let's proceed ahead one by one. It is saying pip install Vibium. For that we need to create one project which I already did, called Vibium, and here we will do pip install Vibium. Since I have already installed, guys, so it is showing like that. For your case it will take couple of seconds and then we'll install the Vibium. Let's proceed ahead with the another step. It is saying Chrome downloads automatically on first use. To install Chrome ahead of time, we have to do Vibium install. So this is purely optional. We do not need to do that because it will install, Chrome will install automatically. And this is example with a sync API, and this particular setup script is example with the sync API. So we will do sync first. Let's copy this and move to the PyCharm, and we will run it. We will see the code, and then we will do our mock scripting. Perfect. So let's create one Python file, Python module, hello, and then paste this particular script. Let me zoom a little bit for better visibility. Perfect. So let's see the script first. Let's gel with the script and style, and then we will run it. So it is saying Vibium package install browser sync, and this browser sync will give us a function called launch, which is responsible for launching the Chrome, and then the go function take an argument which is a URL, and go is responsible for loading whatever the URL you have given as an arg. And then we are going to take one screenshot with an context. We are going to write as an PNG form that particular screenshot, and then vibe.find. So find is same like query selector or driver.find element, not elements. So this is supposed to give you one particular element which is a first match. Suppose you have given a locator which has been matched with the multiple elements. So this find supposed to give you first match element, and the thing to take into the consideration that it is right now support only CSS. So if you click on find, you can see this find an element by CSS selector and find an element. So this supposed to give you one particular element object. So that we will store into the link. We will extract text out of it, and we will click it, and then we will quit. So let's run it. Okay, it open, did operation and close as per the script, and it has taken the screenshot. Okay, perfect. And now, as I had mentioned earlier, we will do some demo scripting. So on this particular website, just to conclude once again, so clicking on primary button will increase one count. We will going to assert it. So in order to minimize the time, I already have a script ready. We will go through it. So this is the script. Let me maximize a little bit. So I did the same thing from a Vibium package. I have imported browser sync, launching the browser, and then this is my URL of the website which I have earlier shown to you. And from there I am locating the element which is nothing but a primary button element. So this is a CSS. I got one element. I am clicking on it, and then I have to take this particular fields element so that I can extract text out of it, and I can make sure it is 1. Okay, so this is click underscore counter is a CSS. I am locating that particular element, and from that element I am extracting the text out of it and storing one variable activation underscore count. And this is my simple assertion where I am just making sure 1 is present in activation count or not, doing a basic print like whether it's passed, else it's failed, and then I'm taking a screenshot, and with an open context I am writing as an PNG, and that PNG name would be button underscore click underscore result dot PNG. Perfect. Let's run it, and then we will do some debugging as well. So it's loaded, it did the operation very quickly, it's lightning fast, and if you see the terminal, it got successful, test passed, total activation count is 1, taken one screenshot. So let's have a proof. So primary button activated and total activation count is 1. Perfect. So let's do some debugging, how the object flows and what kind of things it is getting in a return. Let's quickly debug it. And it is launching the browser, and it is opening it. Now how it is finding one element, see, it has given element object, element sync object, and one particular element I got. Until here it should not be clicked, right? It's primary button. After my next step, it's supposed to be activated and total activation count supposed to be 1. So I did click on it. So primary button activated and total activation count 1 through our script. Okay, and simple assertion did and taken one screenshot, and that's all. I think that's it for this particular session, guys. The idea from this particular session was to get gel with the Vibium automation style coding and set up Vibium alongside Python. We will do a lot of scenarios going forward, like shadow DOM, frame, frame within frame, drop down, whatnot. And in case you have any doubt, any question, comment box is open. I will surely answer any question which you will ask. And if you find any value in this particular video, kindly like this, subscribe this, share this. Take care and goodbye, my dear Kiwi family.